All right, let's dive right in. If you or someone you care about has recently gone through a major cardiac event, you know the journey is far from over. In fact, in a lot of ways, it's just getting started. So today, we're going to walk through the roadmap for not just recovering, but for a real, true renewal.
And this idea right here is so important. Leaving the hospital, well, it isn't the finish line. It's really the starting block for a whole new phase of life. And it's completely normal for that to feel a little uncertain, maybe even a bit scary.
This is the big question, isn't it? It's on every patient's mind. You've been through something absolutely life-changing, and now you're home. What are the right steps to take? Not just to get by, but to actually come back stronger than before?
So first, let's talk about that moment, the first few weeks after you've left the hospital. This is such a critical period, where the support you get can literally change the entire course of your long-term health.
You know, it's totally normal to feel this wild mix of relief and anxiety. One minute, you're so glad to be home, the next you're a little confused. I mean, you've gone from a super structured hospital environment to suddenly being in charge of everything. It can feel pretty overwhelming, kind of like you've been handed a complex puzzle with no instructions.
And that feeling, it brings us to a really crucial point. Recovery takes more than just kicking your feet up and resting. Trying to wing it during this period, well, without a clear plan, you're facing some serious hidden dangers.
See, the risks of just going it alone aren't always big and dramatic. A lot of times, they're subtle. They're these quiet little things, like a fatigue that just won't quit, or a fear of exercising, or maybe not even realizing that your blood pressure is still creeping up. These are the kinds of dangers that are so easy to miss when you don't have a plan.
And here's the thing, all those small, unchecked issues, they can add up to this one really sobering statistic. That first year after a heart event is a super high-risk period, and that's exactly why a passive, wait-and-see approach just isn't going to cut it.
So, how do we flip that script? How do we turn all that uncertainty into genuine confidence? Well, that's where a guided plan comes in. Think of it like a GPS for your heart's renewal, designed and monitored by experts. This roadmap, it has a name. It's called cardiac rehabilitation, or just cardiac rehab for short. And it's so much more than just exercise. It's a full-on, medically supervised program that covers everything from physical strength and nutrition to your emotional well-being and medication. It's like having your own personal support system for recovery.
So who is this for exactly? Well, cardiac rehab is recommended for a really wide range of people. If you've had a heart attack, if you've gotten a stent, if you've had bypass surgery, it's for you. It's also for folks who've been diagnosed with heart failure or are just starting new heart medications. It's the standard of care for a very good reason.
Now, this is a fantastic question and one that doctors hear all the time. It's so easy to think, hey, I feel okay, so I must be okay. But the reality, well, it's a little more complicated than that.
And here's why this is so critical. Many of the biggest cardiac risks, like high blood pressure or high cholesterol, are totally silent. You don't feel them. Cardiac rehab acts like your personal early detection system, catching these issues before they turn into major problems and making sure your recovery is built to last.
Okay, so let's get into the nuts and bolts. What does a cardiac rehab program actually look like? Well, it's built on 5 key pillars, all designed for your total well-being.
And what's really powerful here is how this whole approach directly tackles those quiet dangers we mentioned earlier. That supervised exercise plan, that deals with the anxiety about getting active. The medical evaluation and monitoring, that's how you catch silent risks like blood pressure. And the counseling and support helps with everything else. You see, every part works together. Let's tackle another really practical question. A lot of people imagine cardiac rehab is just being stuck in a gym for an hour. But that's only a small piece of the story.
And honestly, that can be a big relief for a lot of people. The program is tailored specifically to you. So yeah, some days will be about physical activity, but others might be a one-on-one with a nutritionist or a session on how to manage stress and anxiety. It's a complete wellness plan.
So, what's the time commitment like? Is this going to take over your whole life? Nope, it's designed to be totally manageable. A typical program starts pretty soon after you leave the hospital, runs for about 8 to 12 weeks, and you're only going in once or twice a week. The whole goal is to build up your strength and confidence so you can keep making progress on your own. And that brings us to the ultimate goal of all of this. Because this isn't just about managing a condition, it's about fully, completely reclaiming and enriching your life.
I absolutely love this quote because it reframes the entire experience, doesn't it? This journey isn't just about getting back to where you were before. It's a real opportunity to rebuild, to create a stronger, healthier, and more confident you.
Ultimately, this is what it's all about. Getting you back to your job, your hobbies, your family, but with the confidence of knowing your heart is stronger and that you now have the tools and habits to keep it that way for the long haul.
Look, surviving a heart attack is a monumental achievement. That was the first and biggest step. The only question now is about the next one. A guided cardiac rehab program offers you that path, a structured, supportive roadmap not just to recovery, but to a powerful renewal.